By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what Python classes are, why they exist, and how they're used in real programs. Classes are simply a way to describe an object in your program. An object is a sort of blueprint that has data and behavior. This defines how the object is structured and what sort of data and behavior it can perform and contain. Here's my example of a user class I created. At the top, we define the class using the class keyword and we call it user. Inside the class, we have something called a constructor method, which is the init with the four underscores. This is called a dunder method, and as you can see, we have three variables assigned to it: ID, name, and role. These will be assigned every time a new object is instantiated. I'll quickly show you how to utilize these objects and create new objects. Okay, first of all, I'm going to create a new object called user1. We're going to give it an ID of 1. Name will be Bob, and role will be sleeping. We can print these new values out for this specific user, doing print user1.id role, and don't ask why I typed it like that, but yeah, and then when we run the program then, it should print each one of those variables out for this specific object. I'll also quickly cover inheritance. Inheritance is when one class is built using another class's base. It allows you to create new classes automatically and get all data and behavior from existing classes without affecting the base class. Okay, as you can see here, I've created another class called admin. This is a child of the user class, so we are inheriting ID, name, and role from the user class. We use super to actually take from the parent class and put to the child class. And as you can see here, I've also created a new function in the admin user, which is say hello, and it'll print hello to the console. I've instantiated the admin1 here. His name's Jimmy, and he's got an ID of 2. So we'll do admin1.sayHello, which will actually cause this function to execute. So I'll run the program. It'll say hello, and I'll also do print.name. So you can see it'll say his name and then hello. But if we try and do hello from the user class, it shouldn't work, and it won't work. User1.sayHello. As you can see, IntelliSense won't actually fill it in because it doesn't exist, so it won't work and it'll throw an error. I would also like to point out these are redundant. You don't need these in the child class after you inherit it from the parent class. I hope you have a better understanding of Python classes. It wasn't too in-depth, but I hope it gave you an idea of how they function and why you would need them. Thank you.